Welcome to Jana Future Tech. Today, we're exploring Dunlap Hollow Cave, one of the most unique architectural projects in the Midwest. This natural cave has been transformed into a modern living space, blending raw geology with smart engineering and eco-luxury design. The cave sits on 34 acres of private forest, offering natural insulation, privacy, and structural stability. A naturally large recessed cave was selected to avoid heavy modification, preserving the original rock formation. The glass front allows maximum daylight, while the surrounding rock carries the structural load, a perfect balance of transparency and strength. Outdoor features like the patio, fireplace, hot tub, grill, and even an electric car charger are integrated with minimal impact on the environment. Inside, the compact space is optimized for comfort and efficiency. Stone walls act as thermal mass, helping regulate temperature naturally. Recessed lighting highlights the rock texture without breaking the cave aesthetic. Custom wooden furniture fits the irregular walls, maximizing space while respecting nature. Ventilation and window placement maintain airflow and daylight, reducing energy dependence. This project proves that modern technology doesn't need to overpower nature, it can work with it. If future-focused design inspired by nature excites you, subscribe to Jana Future Tech. Dunlap Hollow Cave isn't just a home, it's a vision of how future living can evolve, smart, sustainable, and deeply connected to nature.